Classification Lesson 3. This question is little bit long and takes time to solve the question, but it's not that difficult. There are 6 persons A, B, C, D, E, F in school. Each of the teacher teaches 2 subjects. One is compulsory and other one is optional. D's optional subject was history, while 3 others have it compulsory. E and F have physics as one of their subject. F's compulsory subject is mathematics, which is optional for C and E. History and English are A's subject, but in terms of compulsory and optional, they are reverse of D's. Chemistry is an optional subject of only one. The only female teacher has English as compulsory subject. Now the question is, who is the female teacher? Okay, to solve such questions, we will make a tabular form. All the subjects are history, physics, mathematics, English and chemistry. And we have 6 teachers, A, B, C, D, E and F. Now let's do according to the statements. First statement is each of the teachers had 2 subjects, one compulsory and one optional. Okay. D's optional subject was history. D's optional subject was history. Okay, this is optional. While others 3 have it as compulsory. So we don't know what other 3 are, so just write in bracket 3 have compulsory as history subject. Okay. E and F have physics as one of their subjects. So E and F has physics as one of the subject, but we don't know it is compulsory or the optional one. Next line. F's compulsory subject is mathematics. F's compulsory subject is mathematics. Okay. So obviously F's optional subject is physics, right? And all its subjects have been completed. So just cross the rest subjects. Now, next statement. F's compulsory subject is mathematics, which is an optional subject for both C and E. C and E has an optional subject of mathematics. It means E has compulsory subject as physics. E we have also completed E and F's subject. Okay. Next statement. History and English are A's subject. History and English are A's subject, but we don't know which one are optional and which one is compulsory. But in terms of compulsory and optional, they are reverse of that of D. Okay. So if D has history as optional, so A will has it as compulsory, and D will also have English as its compulsory, and A will have it as optional. So we have completed A and D also. We have got the subjects for A and D also. Now left is B and C. So let's move further. Chemistry is an optional subject of only one of them. Chemistry is an optional subject for only one of them. Okay. C has an optional subject. C has an optional subject as mathematics. So obviously chemistry cannot be the optional subject for C. Chemistry is an optional subject for B. Why? Because all the others we have already covered. So B has an optional subject, chemistry. The only female teacher has English as her compulsory subject. Okay. It can be D, but one thing we have left. history has 3 compulsory teachers. So A, B and C, because others we have already covered. So C has we have got the 2 subjects for B, history and chemistry. B we have covered. C have 2 subjects, history and mathematics. C we have also covered, right? So we have covered all the subjects. Now last statement is the only female teacher has English as its compulsory subject. So English has its compulsory subject of whom? D. So D is the female teacher. So answer is D. For more videos, subscribe us on Facebook and YouTube. All for Learners Tutorials, A Tutorials.